Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to withdraw USDT from Paybis in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know USDT is that stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a go-to for secure transactions. Paybis is a user-friendly platform for buying, selling, and managing your crypto, and withdrawing USDT is easier than you might think. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have a Paybis account set up. If not, head over to their website and create one. It's quick and straightforward. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Look for the Wallet or Assets section. That's where all your crypto holdings are listed. Step 2. Find your USDT balance. Click on it to open the details. Now, hit the Withdraw button. You'll see options for withdrawal methods, like transferring to another wallet or even to your bank account. Choose the one that works best for you. Remember, for 2025, Paybis has updated their interface for faster processing. Next, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum limits or fees. These can vary, so double-check to avoid surprises. Then, input the destination address or account details accurately. That's crucial to avoid losing your funds. Paybis will prompt you to confirm everything, so review it carefully. After that, you'll need to verify the transaction. This might involve two-factor authentication or email confirmation for security reasons, always a good thing in the crypto world. Once verified, sit back and wait for the processing to complete. Withdrawals usually take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the network. And there you have it. Your USDT is on its way. Pro tip. Keep an eye on blockchain fees if you're withdrawing to an external wallet, as they can add up. If you're new to this, always start small to get the hang of it. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.